We're headed out on our honeymoon.
Yes, we are.
We are headed now to our flight, but first we're going to stop and have a drink. Probably at Billy Goat Tavern because it's one of our favorite places.
Yes.
We started off with a beer and a burger.
Yep.
Oops. There we go. We'll see you on the plane. We are going to the baggage claim right now and grab our stuff. We're going to spend the night with some family, and then we will see you tomorrow morning at Ohana. We've arrived at the Polynesian Resort, and we are walking around just before our breakfast reservation at Ohana. Man, this is so pretty. The Grand Floridian, and this is the fire pit. And here's the what do they call these? There's a certain name for them, but they're just like the cabanas over the lake.
Yeah, hovering cabanas.
I can't remember what they're called. But way off in the distance there, which we're gonna see if we can zoom in.
Yeah.
There is Cinderella's castle.
Yeah.
And that's about life size to us right now. If I just look straight up over my camera, that's what it looks like. So we're gonna go have breakfast in Ohana, which is that second floor right there. Instagramming our shot already?
I just sent a picture to my parents.
Someone's excited. And now we're on a Disney Cruise Line version of Magical Express. There is Captain Mickey on the side there.
Disney Fantasy, right there in the logo.
We're headed out. It's gonna be a good time. We're here.
Me and my wife going on a cruise.
Going on a cruise. So, this terminal, here's us, and here is the wonderful, we're getting on the ship. So we're gonna tape from now until a minute from now. Oh man. But we kind of feel a little rushed because we just got off the bus. We are we're headed that way.
Yeah, we are.
Excited. Kind of a thing, but I love the design of guest services. Oh man, Art Nouveau is my favorite thing in the entire world. Here we go.
Wait, what's there? 8036. I'll get over here.
Ready, man?
I got it.
Where are we buying the 8032?
Oh, this is nice.
Whoa, I'm stuck on the door handle.
On my door.
I'm stuck. I can't help it.
Here comes the husband to save the day.
I'm not even kidding. I'm stuck on the door handle. It's fun.
Well, you enjoy the time here. I'm out of here. Let's go down the bar.
I'm totally stuck.
Back up first.
I can't.
Never can be easy with you. Never.
My purse got stuck on the door handle. Women with over the body, crossbody stuff. Keep in mind that does shut behind you, and it's got a latch handle, so it will grab your stuff.
I'm gonna put my.
What did I do? Just got done with our drill. We're heading up to deck 12 for the sailboat party.
The time is now. Let's go Disney Fantasy begin. 4, 3, 2, 1.
Drink time.
So hot tub in time. Enjoying yourself in the hot tub?
I got a beer and a hot tub. Yeah, of course I'm enjoying myself.
We're having a good time.
That's all that matters.
Oh, Crush, I'm not really comfortable with this.
Why not?
I don't know anything about talking to humans.
Oh, I can speak human. Hello, humans.
Oh, Dory.
Hello.
We're tired. It's bedtime. We will see you tomorrow.